In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a HubSpot property. First, log into HubSpot. You will see a welcome screen with various options available to you. Enter your email and password in the respective fields. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. This step is crucial because it ensures that you have access to your account and can make the necessary changes. You will be directed to your HubSpot dashboard where you can see all the tools and features available. It's reassuring to know that you're now in the right place to begin managing your properties. Next, click the settings icon, which looks like a gear and is usually located in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Once you click it, a new settings menu will open up on the left side of the screen. This area is where you will manage various aspects of your HubSpot account. Accessing settings is important because it gives you the control you need over your properties and other features. You will see numerous options categorized which will help you navigate easily. From there, in the left sidebar, go to Data Management and then select Properties. Clicking on this will take you to the Properties Management section. Here you will find all the properties related to your account. This step is essential because it directs you to the specific area where you can manage your properties effectively. You will see a list of all the properties in your account, which can include various categories like contacts, companies, deals, and more. At this point, select the object that contains the property you want to delete. You have several options here, including contacts, companies, deals, tickets, and custom objects. Click on the relevant object. Doing this narrows down your search and ensures you are looking in the right place. It's a simple but vital step as it saves you time by filtering out irrelevant properties, bringing you closer to your goal. Now search for the property you want to delete. Use the search bar to type in the name of the property. As you type, you may see suggestions appear below. Finding the correct property is crucial because you want to avoid deleting the wrong one. Once you locate the property, you will feel a sense of accomplishment, knowing you are one step closer to achieving your goal. After that, hover over the property name. You will notice an option labeled Actions appear next to it. Click on Actions. This will open a drop-down menu with various choices related to that property. This little action is important because it provides the options you need to manage the property effectively. You will see the available actions listed clearly, ensuring that you can navigate this step with confidence. Next up, click Delete. A confirmation option will pop up, prompting you to proceed with the deletion. This is a critical moment as it indicates that you are about to remove the property. It's a significant action that cannot be undone, so it's wise to double-check that you are indeed deleting the correct property. You will feel assured knowing that you have the chance to review your choice before finalizing it. Now, review the warning message that appears. This warning is there to remind you of the consequences of your action. Take a moment to read it carefully. This step is vital because it reinforces the importance of being cautious when deleting items from your account. You can feel confident that you are making an informed decision before proceeding. Finally, confirm by clicking Delete Property. Once you click this, the property will be permanently removed from your account. You will see a confirmation appear, letting you know that the action has been completed successfully. This finalizes your process and provides peace of mind, knowing you have successfully deleted the property you intended to. And that's it! You have now learned how to delete a HubSpot property effectively.